Good day everyone and welcome back to my virtual classroom. For our Music Vibes episode today, we will be doing a keyboard tutorial for the song Waymaker by Leeland or Sinach on the key of G. So let's get started. For our keyboard tutorial for today, we will be doing Waymaker by Leeland or Sinach at the key of G. So for our intro, our left hand will be playing C. You can also play this keys. So C, and then G, and then D, and then E. Alright, so you can play those keys instead of the octaves. So C, G, D, and then E. It's an E minor on your right hand, by the way. So for our right hand, it will be C, G, D, and then E minor. Or you can play the following keys as well. So it will be like this. Alright. So you can also play that together with our left hand. So if it's just the chords, it will be just like this. G, D, E minor. Okay, if it's just the chords. You can also play, as I have shown, the keys. By the way, you start on G, and then once you play the right hand, so you move on C, G, D, E minor. Alright, so you can also play C, G, So that is for our intro part. Now for the verse, it will be the same set of chords. It's just that there is a passing chord D. D, C, right? Before you go to C, D, C, and then G, and then D, and then an E minor. Alright, so the same thing with our right hand. And you can just play the whole chords as it is. So D, C. You can play it this way. D, E minor. Alright, so together with our left hand, it will be like this. You are here, moving in our midst. 3, I worship you. 1, 2, 3, I worship you. 2, 3, you are here. 2, 3, working in this place. 2, 3, I worship you. 1, 2, 3, I worship you. Alright, so that is for the verse. Now for the chorus, it will be for left hand C, G, and then a D, and then an E, or just that key there. Alright, so C, G, and then D, and then the E. Now our right hand will be playing the chords C, G, D, and then E minor. Okay, so together with our left hand, it will be played like this. G, D, alright. Or you also have the option to play it with a few, you press a few of the keys on the same chords, so it will be like this. also have that option. Okay, so if you're going to sing it, it would be like this. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. So you have that option as well. All right, so that is for the chorus. Then you can go back to the verse part, and then for the bridge is actually sang after a chorus. So from our chorus part, it will be like this, right? Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, and then you can play. Okay, so you can also play this set of chords before you go to the bridge. When you repeatedly sing, that is who you are, that is who you are, you can also play the same set of chords. So for example, if you have your chorus, Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. When you repeat that is who you, and then C, are, that is who you are, that is who you are, that is who you are. So you can also play those set of chords when you repeatedly sing that is who you are part of the chorus. So from the E minor, that is who you are, that is who you, sorry, G, again, C, G, D, E minor. And then you can sing the bridge. That's a C, and then a G, and then a D. Alright, so that's the bridge part. You can play it just soft as you can, and then you build up when you go back to the chorus. So it will be like this. Even when I don't see it, you're working. Even when I don't feel it, you're working. You never stop working. You never stop working. Then you build up. Even when I don't feel it, you're working. G. Even when I don't feel it, you're working. You never stop working. Never stop working. And then you build up, and then you go back to the chorus. So that is the song Waymaker by Leeland or Sinach on a key of G.
I hope that you like our keyboard tutorial for today, and for those that are new to my class, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for your attendance today. And as always, as Teacher Maria would say, please do live your life to the fullest, learn something new every day, and love one another as how our God loves us. See you next episode for our Music Vibes series. Bye!